To begin, place the hopper on the grinder and turn it clockwise. Turn on the machine. Choose the grinding point using the coffee icons on the front dial setting. French press is the coarsest, Turkish is the finest. Fill the hopper with the amount of coffee you want to grind. Press the bag's support handle and put the empty bag around the discharge tube. Push the grind button to start grinding. Press again to stop. We press the lever to release the bag and we jiggle firmly several times to remove any coffee remaining in the discharge tube. Clean the discharge tube with the brush that comes with the grinder. The grinder comes with an extension piece to distance the bag shaker from the machine, allowing the use of large bags and therefore large amounts of coffee. To attach the part, loosen the screw in the bag shaker. Replace it with the extension piece and screw into place. A cold and precise grind for the best cup.